Welcome back to ACM Shorts. Today's topic is production pallets and boards, specifically how to keep them clean. For all dry cast concrete producers, production pallets or boards are a major capital expense, so extending the life of the boards can save significant amounts of money. Over their life, boards must be evaluated and properly maintained because if we have uneven surfaces or warped boards, it's impossible for the mold to contact the board properly, which will lead to board damage and ongoing product quality issues in production. So bearing in mind the importance and cost of production boards, we can see why malfunctioning boards and shortened board life is highly undesirable. One of the negative things that can happen to boards over time is concrete residue buildup. This buildup becomes a vicious cycle. Fresh concrete will adhere to residual particles on the board, so batch by batch, cycle by cycle, buildup increases and becomes harder and harder to remove. Producers that use sprayed inline treatments can experience treatment buildup on boards as well. That's where BoardShield comes in. BoardShield is a blend of special lubricants that is designed to reduce concrete adhesion to board surfaces so it makes boards easier to clean and keep them clean. Now I can hear you saying, well, Mark, that sounds great, but I bet it's really expensive. Not so. BoardShield is applied with a simple dedicated sprayer that is inline, like the example you see here. When you are starting out, apply regularly until the boards are conditioned, ideally applying it to both sides of the board as they cycle through production. When the boards are fully conditioned, we can just apply as needed. Think of seasoning a cast iron skillet. Early on requires liberal application, but as time goes by, less and less product is needed and therefore less effort is required. So how much do you use? For normal use, around 20 grams per board does the trick. That's less than a tablespoon per board, so a little goes a long way. Now this next one is important. To reap all the benefits of using BoardShield, you must employ an inline board scraper. Adhered concrete must be removed every time that board is used to maintain it properly. Here's a demo of scrapers in action. Note how the blades make contact with the board and the angle of the scraper. If you would like a list of recommended board scrapers, we are happy to help with that. So remember, keep those boards conditioned and clean and make everyone's life easier. As always, your technical service rep will be happy to help you with any questions you may have. See you next time on the ACM Academy.